Hello, welcome back to Python programming. Now we'll see the one more topic. In the strings, we need to discuss the topics on escape character. What is escape character and where we can use this escape character? So just escape character. This escape character can be used whenever the string within the string. Let us say string within the string. Then we can use escape character. Let us say, okay, if you use print, let us say some y. Let us say y is equal to, yeah, this is a Python programming. Python hands-on. Say Python hands-on. So let us say the Python has the strings actually. This is a quotes. This Python has a quotes. So quotes within the quotes. So let us say if you print this statement, let us say print y. So what happens? Same thing. If you do the what happens, you need to understand. Okay, just copy and paste in the notepad. Okay, here escape character. Okay, just remove this and see here. So now print y. So what happens? Just see. So here, this is a Python hands-on. So error is there here. So string within the string is not possible. So how we can overcome this type of problem whenever it occur? So we can have to use escape character. So escape character we can use like this. So how we can use? So here we can write draw the statement like this, and we can use like this. Now, yeah, it is okay. Just see. Here, this is the Python hands-on. So this is the way we can use the escape character to overcome the situations like this. Okay, so this is about a escape character.